My name is Dr. Hemalatha Mallaya. I am consultant pediatrician and neonatologist in Cloudnine Hospital, Thanisandra branch. So today I will be talking regarding how to combine breastfeeding and bottle feeding, especially for mothers who plan to join back for work. This is a very common scenario. Most of the recent mothers, they will be thinking, how can I go for work after 6 months? My baby is still breastfeeding. So option for you is bottle feeding, trying for bottle feeding. So you can express your breast milk and keep it in the home whenever possible, and so the others can feed the baby whenever you are not around. Even when you want to go for some important things outside, also your parents or other who is taking care of the baby can feed the baby bottle feeding. Easy to say, but it's very difficult to do when it comes in practical aspects. So if you are planning to join for work, you have to plan very ahead, at least few weeks beforehand, or only you have to plan. So you should start expressing your breast milk. You should get a breast pump. You should start expressing your breast milk, and it's not you, somebody else should feed the baby bottle feed. If once mother starts bottle feeding, the baby might not take it. So somebody else in a different surrounding should try for the bottle feeding. So always, if you are planning to join for work, give bottle feeding, but plan ahead. Most of the time, try to give your breast milk only. If your breast milk is not sufficient, you can even try formula milk also. So there are few things you should be taking care regarding expressing. So expression should start before you joining for work, so that it becomes a routine for you. Even at work, you can express every 2 to 3 hours at work also, so that it helps to maintain your milk supply. And expression should be done in an ideal place where everything is done properly. So you should be properly taking care of the bottle, sterilization and other things. So if you don't have enough breast milk, you can think of giving formula milk also, but all these things should be done in a sterile surrounding and sterile procedure. If you don't express, you go join for work, it can cause issues for you only. So like breast engorgement, mastitis and all can happen. The most important advice for you who are planning to join for work is plan ahead. Plan ahead, learn how to express, learn how to store the milk in the fridge. So express breast milk can store in the fridge for at least 24 hours. Just in the room temperature, you can keep the express milk for 4 to 6 hours. You can even freeze in the breast milk, you can freeze in the refrigerator for at least 4 to 6 weeks. So these are the common things you should know once you are planning to join for work and planning to start on bottle feeding.